So this question said if y equals to 1 plus 3x all raised to the power 7 over s raised to the power 9, find the y dx at the points s equals to 1 and y equals to 1. So there are two approaches to this. We can use quotient rule because this is division, so we can use quotient rule to solve it. We can also go ahead to take the lane of both sides to make it faster. But because I have solved that of lane before, I would like to use quotient rule here so that you also know how to use quotient rule to solve such question. Although in that one we're not giving this point here, but if you still put your point in that one, you still get the same answer. So let's see how it is done. So step 1. Step 1, using quotient rule because of the division that I mentioned earlier. Quotient rule. This implies dy dx is equals to v du dx minus u dv dx all over v square. Next thing is to find out what's our v and u. That's step 2. Okay, let's v equals to, the one down is always our v. That's the one down, like this, always our v. S is the power 9, the denominator. And then our u is equals to the numerator. 1 plus 3x all raised to the power 7. So we have known our u and our u here and our v, but we don't know the u, the s, and the v, the s. We also know this v. So let's solve the u, the s, and the v, the x. So step 3, find the u, the x, and the v, the x. This implies the u, the s is equals to, this our u was given us, this is our u, is giving us this. And something like this, this chain rule. I've taught you shortcut before. Just pick the 7, as far as if there's no letter attached, it's just a constant. Pick it, 7 times, differentiate what is inside here. That's v differentiate 1 is 0. If you differentiate 3s, you get what? You get 3 times 3. Then multiply by the whole thing. 1 plus 3x. Remove 1 from 7. That's 6. So you're going to get that your du ds is equals to 21 bracket 1 plus 3x raised to the power 6. So we now further ahead to find our dv dx. dv dx is equals to, v is s raised to the power 9. So when 9 comes to the front, it becomes what? 9. Then x, remove 1 from the 9, is equals to 9x power 8. So we now put everything we have here into this formula. That's our step 4. Step 4, put the answers into the formula. So, and that's this. So our dy dx is equals to, v is given here as s to the power 9, s power 9 times du ds, and the u ds is given as this 21 brackets 1 plus 3s all raised to the power 6, then minus, that's this minus now, u is given as this 1 plus 3x power, okay, no power, put the bracket, then close brackets, power 6, then times dv dx, and that's this. So we have brackets 9x power 8 all over, that's everything here, over v square. V is given as s power 9 over s raised to the power 9 all squared. So moving forward, dy ds is equals to, okay, let's be a bracket here so that these two will match. So this can multiply this 21 x power 6 bracket 1 plus 3x all raised to the power 6, then minus okay, this is x power 9, not power 6, this is power 9, so we have power 9 there, minus 9x power 8, 9x power 8 bracket 1 plus 3x all power what? 6. Our u was power 7. This is power 7. So this is power 7. So I'm going forward, this over s raised to power 18. That's 9 times 2 is 18. Now we don't have to go further because we cannot simplify this thing further. Just go ahead and put in the values you're giving. You're giving 1, 1. So at s equals to 1, that's the first one, and y equals to 1, the second value then. Our dy dx is equals to 21 bracket 1 raised to power 9. That's our s is 1. Then times 1 plus 3 times 1 all raised to power 6. Okay, that's not all. We still have minus here. So we have minus 9 bracket 1 raised to power 8. Then bracket 1 plus 3 times 1 all raised to power 7. Then all over 1 raised to power 18. So moving forward, this is equals to, this is 1 raised to power 9 is 1. 21 times 1 is 21. Then bracket 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 raised to power 6. Then minus 9 times 1. 1 raised to power 8 is 1. So 9 times 1 is 9. Then when you simplify inside, you also get 4 power 7 all over 1. So this is 4 raised to power 6, this 4 raised to power 7. I can bring up 4 raised to power 6. I have 4 power 6 brackets 21 alone left inside there, minus 9. If you bring up 4 power 6 here, it will be remaining just 1 4 times just 1 4. Then all over 1, and this is equals to 4 raised to power 6 brackets 21 minus 36. So 21 minus 36 should be minus 15. So this is equals to 4 raised to power 6 times minus 15, and this is equals to